Hello everyone, so welcome to the new series by Quanta AI Labs on n8n workflows, which we build automation, AI automation workflows and much more on that. Okay, mostly, but it is famous for the automation. So this is the basic, if you search on the internet, there is a first link, n8n powerful automation. So if you click on that, you come at here. So if you sign up, okay, let's talk about the product overview, integration, templates. They provide you some templates also. Product overview we will see. So these type of workflows we create in this is the no code automation tools. We are not write the code in this, but we are building using the node. It is a node based platform. Okay, we will see the node in some time in the next coming lectures, but this is the interface and this is fast and all the things. They are releasing the different nodes every single time. Just like recently they released the MCP. You will see MCP and how to use this in the coming lecture. So there are the templates also. They already created some of the template preparing data to send to the service, pulling data from service that n8n does not have pre-built. So these are the some templates, clone viral TikTok and AI avatars, auto post to the 9 platform without perplexity or so this guy created already. Okay, so this is the, you can click on this and you can see, okay, use for free. Okay, it gives this. If you click on this, just click template to JSON. Okay, we will see how to import all this thing. So let's talk about the pricing and how you start with it. So if we see annually, there is a 20 euros, which gives you 2.5k workflows execution and 5 active. And if we go for monthly, it is 24 euros, which is the 2.5k and 5 active, same thing. But this is the one way to use. But if we see on the GitHub repo, okay, if you search on this, the second link is GitHub repo. So once you click on the GitHub repo, you see, okay, this is the workflow. All the codes are coming freely. It is available. Then why they are charging? They are charging for the services they are providing, which is the cloud services, the VPS services, virtual private servers. So they are charging for that. But if you want same thing on a different method, so there are much cheaper method, which we call it hostinger. We can use the hostinger, or you take any VPS service which provides you the n8n in that. If you log in, I already have account, you can make an account and you can log in. Go to the VPS server. So I already give this server, which is here, but let's create a new one, KVM VPS. Once you click on that, it will give you the best server location already. So India, best latency, and we search for the n8n. So you can click on this, select n8n and run. Write a password, maybe anything. Okay, so it's completed. Then run this one. Next, if you click on next, malware scanner is good. You can choose any machine. KVM2, you can select monthly charges. They have 24, 13,000, 12 months. We have 7,000 rupees, and 1 month there is 740. You can add a coupon code, anything. Just like you can search on the internet, you will find the one coupon, just like grab or something, grab on, you will find the coupon code and complete the payment, and you get the VPS. And after this, how you see this thing, leave this page. Once you set up all the things, you will see this thing. Now this page you will see. Now if you click on the manage app, so it will open you the n8n server. Okay, so this is the basic screen where you use n8n server, and you can create a workflows from here. This is the node we talk about, and these all are the nodes we can use on in the coming lectures. Okay, before that we need to understand the basic terminologies in n8n. We will learn that thing into the next lecture, but mostly this is how you install the n8n. If there is different installation. For example, some guys are using Docker also for n8n, which is completely free, I think so. So I will check and make a video on it, and I will put on the channel only. So hope you subscribe this channel, so you will get a notification also about, okay, this is the new technology coming in this area, and we will make this thing. Just like AI agents are coming a lot, so how to make a different AI agent and all the things. So this is the complete installation of n8n, or you can use directly from here also. Sign, you can directly give the pay and sign in. So I already have one account, so I will show you. This is the dashboard, and if you open workspace, both have same things, but the updates are coming faster in this one. So if you click on create workflow, it is like a similar thing. Okay, same trigger which we shown here also. So this way you can also install. So this is all in this video. Hope you like the video. Subscribe our channel for amazing technologies. We talk about different generative AI technologies and create videos on it. Thank you everyone.